and will protect health insurance for more than 8 million Americans who are in danger of losing their coverage during this economic. That decline was the largest in over a quarter century, and it underscores the seriousness of the economic crisis that my administration found when we took office. Because if we don't move swiftly to put this plan in motion, our economic crisis could become a national catastrophe. It will save or create more than 3.5 million jobs over the next 2 years, ignite spending by businesses and consumers alike, and lay a new foundation for our lasting economic growth and prosperity. Earlier this week, I signed into law the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, the most sweeping economic recovery plan in history. Even as we face an economic crisis which demands our constant focus, forces of nature can also intervene in ways that create other crises to which we must respond, and respond urgently. That's why I'm pleased that after 2 days of careful negotiation, the G20 nations have agreed on a series of unprecedented steps that I believe will be a turning point in our pursuit of a global economic recovery. To ensure that the world's largest economies take strong and unified action in the face of the global economic crisis. Together, we've taken steps to stimulate growth, the worst economic downturn since the Great Depression. For the last 3 months, my administration has taken aggressive action to confront a historic economic crisis. Now, this economic crisis has reminded us that we're all in this together. We continue to recover from a historic economic crisis. It's clear to everyone that one of its major causes was a breakdown in oversight that led to widespread abuses in the financial system. Don't believe the misinformation out there that suggests that there's somehow a contradiction between investing in clean energy and economic growth. It's just we also passed the largest and most sweeping economic recovery plan in our nation's history. Build a new foundation, strong enough to withstand future economic storms and support lasting prosperity. Next week, of economic upheaval. The idea of change can be unsettling. And I know that there are some folks who believe that government should have no role at all in solving our problems. These are legitimate, but my larger hope and expectation is that next Labor Day, the economic storms we're weathering now will have given way to brighter and more prosperous times. All of us need to act more responsibly on behalf of a better economic future.